Yes, good everyone. You are welcome to Global Gift TV. Yeah, I sure don't know the time I'm watching this video, maybe in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. But yeah, I'm in the morning. Okay, welcome to this channel. Welcome to Global Gift TV. Yeah, Global Gift TV, we talk how to make money. I want to maximize money and how to make profit from any update, either free update or paid update. Okay, you are welcome to this channel, guys. Okay, in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly where you can make 5,000 naira weekly in Nigeria. You can also make more than that if you are serious and how to make money. The smartphone you are good with to go with that. Okay, here a new investment platform was launched last week. Let's go to our screen to our Chrome browser now to show you how the site works. The name of the site is called Ike Blockchain. Okay, it's called Ike Blockchain, one of the investment platforms that was launched last week. You can also take advantage of it. Okay, different platform, they have different types of product there, different of machine. The first one, the issue one is 5,000 naira, which gives you 253 naira every day. The second machine, which is 22,000 naira, which gives you 1,056 naira every day. The third one, which is 65 naira, which gives you 325 every day. The last one, which is 150,000 naira, which costs 150,000 naira, which gives you 7,800 naira every day, guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is that you are going to come to this OAC wallet here to recharge your account. On this recharge, and put the amount to recharge. Let's say you want to recharge of 22,000 naira. Okay, you click on this confirm. Okay, you are going to wait for the payment you are going to pay into. Okay, they have different type of payment you can also pay into. Okay, you can pay with your card, you can pay with your bank, you can also pay with your using transaction or pay with USD code, also pay via Visa, QR. Okay, but you want to pay with your bank transaction, just click on this transaction and copy the account and make the transfer of 22,000 naira. And make sure you only make the payment of 20,000 naira to avoid stress for the company. So the company can know that you are only the one that sent 22,000 naira okay to the company. Okay, just copy it and make the transaction. After that, take 30 minutes. Okay, after that, just have to come here and click on I made the payment, guys. After I done with that, it's going to take some minutes to show maybe I have made the payment or not. Okay, let's go back down. Okay, I make the payment finish. That shows on your balance. You have to come here and click on this machine 2, which is 22,000 naira. Okay, next thing is you're going to click on this wallet pay. Okay, just click on confirm product. Tell you how to buy any of the product. Okay, make sure you recharge to buy any product from this company. Okay, after you have recharged, they will give you, the company is also giving you free machine. Okay, it's going to give you free machine you can also use again. Okay, be giving you free machine. To know more about this company, it's very easy. Okay, these are their information list here. Also check more about this company. ICAP is the trailer to announce the announcement of the IDF killer as a CEO. Okay, you just go ahead and read about the company to know more about the company. Okay, to know about the company, yes, I'll drop the link in the description below so you can also register your account and start making money from this site, guys. Okay, coming here to this home now, you come to this where you see my product here. Okay, here this is my product. Okay, company is going to give you free product and the one you paid for. Okay, this is it here. You just have to come here to click on this receive to collect your earnings. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, after that, you have to come here. You want to withdraw. The minimum withdraw is 1,000 naira, which you can withdraw. Okay, you can click on this withdraw button and you put the amount you want to withdraw. To link your bank card, you come back here, click on this bank card, just click on add bank card. Okay, after that, choose the select bank you are using. Okay, any bank you are using in Nigeria, you have to choose any one of them. Okay, after that you put your phone name there. Maybe your name is Opeyemi, you put your name there. Okay, this phone number, you put your phone number there, so that if you have any issue, the company is going to call you for more details about it. And put your bank account number. Okay, you put your bank account number. After that, click on this confirm. Okay, yes, the next thing is that you can also contact the customer care if you have any issue. You just have to click on this customer service. Okay, you can contact them on WhatsApp. Okay, you can contact them on WhatsApp. The next thing is that you can also share your referral links to your friends and your loved ones, guys. You have to click on this invite friends and copy your referral link, start sharing to your friends and your loved ones to also make money from the platform. And any friends you bring to the platform, you giving 10% of their capital. Okay, let's say anyone deposited with 1,000 naira, be giving the amount of 3,000 naira. You give the amount of 1,000 naira as a bonus, as a agent bonus. Okay, I'll drop the link in the description so you can register your account, also make money from this platform. You can buy any machine you want to buy. Okay, you can buy one of 22,000 naira. You can buy any machine you want to buy. If you are going for the one of 50,000 naira, you can buy anyone, guys. And what about this company is that their machine doesn't work every weekend. Okay, their machine is suspended every weekend. Show you how the company is sufficient to make you guys money, guys. That means every Saturday, every weekend, the company doesn't work. Okay, yes, the next thing is that to check maybe you have been paid or not, you just have to come to this my withdraw, maybe it has sent or not. Okay, it has sent or not. It is the way I know you can make money online. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and like this video for more videos like this. And make sure you did not miss any of my giveaway video in this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video, guys.